students, now in this session I will explain question number 13 of exercise 11.3. Now question number 13 is framed with three sentences. Fine. In the first sentence they have given the information. This is a figure given. First of all, a figure is given along with question number 13. Now some informations have been provided in the first sentence. That is, you see the two circles are drawn. Fine. The two circles are drawn where you see the center is a common to both the circle. Fine. Now in first sentence they have given the information, that is the width of this path. So this is a path. Okay. So the width of the path is given 4 meter. In the first sentence it is given. Now if you move on to the second sentence, they have given some information regarding the smaller circle, that is the circle which is inside the bigger circle. That is the diameter of a smaller circle is given 66 meter. So the two information been shared in the first two sentences. First sentence they have given the width of the path, that is 4 meter. In the second sentence they have mentioned the diameter of the smaller circle. Now this smaller circle is taken as a flower bed. Okay. Now in the third sentence they have given you the objective of the sum, that is what exactly you have to find it out. You have to get the area of this path, students. Okay. Now area of this path. Okay. Now how to do this? Now suppose this entire figure you have drawn in the piece of sheet paper. Fine. Suppose if I have drawn this on the sheet of paper. Now keeping the center as common, I have again drawn another circle with a smaller diameter or smaller radius, you can say. Fine. Now suppose I have a desire that I will only keep this portion. Only keep this portion. Now what exactly I will do? I will take a scissor and I will cut this part. Isn't it? I will cut this part. So after doing that you will find that there is a hollow part in between this big circle. So there is an empty. There is nothing is there. So there is a hollow part, isn't it? Now what I have done is that I have removed this smaller circle from the bigger circle, isn't it? So in mathematical language, if you see that I have removed this smaller circle from the bigger circle. So what I am doing? I am subtracting this particular smaller area from the bigger circle, isn't it? So that I will come up with this portion only. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to subtract the smaller area from the area of a bigger circle. Fine. So let's start. Now as you see that the diameter of the smaller circle is given, that is the diameter of a flower bed is given. So we'll first get the area of this flower bed. But in the question it is given diameter. Diameter is given 66 meter. So according to the formula, area is concerned with radius, not with diameter. So to get the radius, what we have to do? Radius is half of diameter, that is d by 2. So we have to calculate 66 by 2, that will be 33 meter. So radius is 33 meter. Now we are in the position to get the area of a flower bed. So area of flower bed, write the formula of area, that is pi r square, and always check that whether the value of pi is given or not. Okay, if in the question, if you see that the value of pi is 3.14 is given, always use that value. In that case, never use the value 22 by 7. Okay students, so just check the question. So in this question also, the pi value is given 3.14. So we'll use it. So 3.14, and what is the value of radius? 33 square, that is 33 into 33 meter square. Okay, so when you will multiply it, you will get the product as the area of the flower bed. So the product is, I will put it inside the box to make it more prominent, to make it more specific. So the answer of the flower bed is, so the answer is 3419.46. Okay, now this is the area of flower bed. Now what is the conception? Now we also need to get the area of the bigger circle, but now you have to use your analytical brain, because the radius of the bigger circle is not given. So how to get it? Now again concentrate here. Now you see, if this is the radius of a smaller circle, that is 33 meter, fine, and the width is also given, isn't it? Width is also given what? 4 meter. So this portion is given 4 meter. So if I really add the radius of the smaller circle with the width, then I will get the radius of the bigger circle, isn't it? So this is what the analysis you have to do. So this circle, this line segment, that is the radius of the smaller circle, you have to add it with the width so that you can get the outer radius. So the first thing that we'll write, we'll get the outer radius. So outer radius is equals to 33 meter plus the width, that is 4 meter, isn't it? So the required radius of the outer circle would be 37 meter. Fine. Now you will get the value of area of outer circle. So area of outer circle, same formula we will use, students, that is pi r square. As pi value is given 3.14, so we'll use the value 3.14. Radius is given 37 meter, so 37 into 37 meter square. Now answer of this would be, required answer is 4298.66. Okay, now this is the area of the outer circle and this is the area of the inner circle, that is the flower bed, isn't it? Now how to get the value of the path? What I discussed, that you have to remove this smaller circle from the outer circle. So what is the mathematical language for removing? What we use? We use subtraction, isn't it? So area of the path would be, area of path would be equals to area of outer circle minus area of flower bed, you can write. Okay. Now just put the value, students. What is the area of outer circle? Area of outer circle is 4298.66 meters square. Very good. Now, what is the area of the flower bed? 3419.46. That is 3419.46 meter square. Okay. So, after subtracting whatever the difference you will get, that would be the required answer of question number 13, students. Okay. So, this is a solution. Now, this part you all have to do it by yourself. Fine, you all have to do it yourself. So I believe that everyone knows how to subtract. Now get the answer, students, and put it in your WhatsApp group so that I can check your work. Okay? I believe that you have understood this sum. This is a very, very important sum, students. Okay? Thank you. Stay happy and God bless you all.